Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right now by confirming your device is unlocked and has a backup. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, open Settings and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications so you can see installed apps. Make sure to use the search box if the list is long. Type Photos to find Google Photos quickly. You're acting immediately, no extra steps. This puts you in the right place to remove updates or disable the app depending on your Android version. Which is the next step? You'll now remove updates or uninstall Google Photos. This reduces app footprint and returns it to factory state. On the App Info screen, tap Uninstall. If only Uninstall Updates appears, select that to remove bundled updates and then tap Disable. Make sure to confirm any prompts and accept permissions removal. If Uninstall is unavailable, force Stop then Disable to prevent it running. These steps handle different Android builds, so choose the option your phone presents to complete the removal process correctly. Finish by clearing cache and storage on the App Info screen. This removes local thumbnails and speeds up cleanup. Once cleared, reboot your device to ensure system services register the change and to free memory. Make sure to check other apps for photo access settings afterwards. If something goes wrong, like missing backups or unexpected behavior, reinstall Google Photos from Play Store, sign in, then restore settings. This resolves most issues without factory resets, so you don't lose data unnecessarily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.